What the hell's going on over there, Ma? It's 8:09. What, are you kidding me? Nothing like a beautiful whispering angel to get the show started. Come on, look at this. Guys, look at this beautiful, delightful, delicious whispering angel. Mwah! Today's a beautiful day in Miami. It's always a beautiful day in Miami. All right, let's do this tonight. Little late start, but that's quite all right. Boricua, DJ Miss Eddie Pink in the house. Hey, girl. I'm gonna make another delicious dish, obviously with the zucchini, cherry tomatoes. I got beautiful, beautiful white onions, capers, just a few anchovies just to melt in there, and beautiful grouper. Grouper's a nice fatty fish. Bro, it's gonna be delightful. I'm gonna mix this with some nice pacari pasta and a white wine reduction. Mwah, God bless everybody cooking with Alex. I learned this beautiful recipe from Chef Lorenzo from Italy. It's a beautiful sauteed zucchini that sauteed with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil and garlic, and then I puree it with an emulsion blender, ooh, so sexy, with obviously garlic and basil, always with basil. Put that to the side. In my pan, I have this beautiful induja sauce, okay, which is a spicy salami sauce. Not too spicy, but it's got a little bit of a kick to it. So I heat that up with a tip of extra virgin olive oil, and then I place my beautiful spaghetti or whatever pasta you would like with this. Spaghetti is probably, penne is also beautiful as well. Mix that in there with that beautiful induja sauce, and then I take that nice pureed emulsion of zucchini puree, put it in with the spaghetti and the induja sauce, mix that all in together, finish it off with beautiful Parmesan cheese, spin it up, and you get a nice dish like this. Place a nice little basil on top, spread some Parmesan cheese, and it's heaven on earth. That's dish one. Ah! Lolita! I miss you, Lolita. Guys, let's do it. Guys, let's do it. Oh my God. Oh my God. You get a double for that. Guys, salute. It is